delay in our flight, so yeah, we still made it.
And Enzo is reading the luggage. Good morning.
Well, good morning, folks. I'm to us up front, Walker Borderline 742, headed to San Francisco.
I'm here sa downtown ng San Francisco. Andun sila dad sa hotel. Yeah. Hi. And look at the view. It's down over there.
I don't want it to.
Okay. Saan tayo kakain?
The Filipino or Chinese food?
Ikaw na, Han. Come here, baby. We're at the mall. Naghahanap pa rin kami ng food. Oh, we're gonna wait for daddy, okay? Sit over there. I'm so haggard na. I'm so tired, baby. Sarap mag-ice skating sana. It's over there. Pabalik na kami ng hotel. Uy! Hello! Smile, smile, smile! Smile, smile, smile! Smile, smile! Smile, smile, smile! Smile, smile! Hi, hi! Hi, Lala! Uy! Uy! Esto. It's a nice weather today. Walgreens. Iba yung Walgreens nila dito, mayroong mga ganito. Sa Seattle wala eh. Walang mga pagkain. Puro frozen lang. Bas namin, hindi naabutan. Wawa man yan! So, we're going to the toy store. Tara, maka-shopping si Enzo. 10 pa, no?
So we can go eat and then come back here.
Okay, let's go. There's Westfield. Panda Express. Ay! Cute.
I don't want to go to school. No.
This one?
No.
Which one? Come here, baby. So cute. You're so cute.